18 बरस के कवारी गली थी, घूंघट में मुखड़ा छुपा के चली थी, फंसी गोरी चने के खेत में, रहुई छोरी चने के खेत में।
Hi, Namaskar. My name is Saroj Khan and you're watching me on Sitare TV.
I'm here in San Jose with one of the most phenomenal and national award-winning dancers of our time. She has entertained Bollywood and made dancers dance for the past 6 decades and devoted her entire career to dance. In fact, she started dancing from the age of 3 years young. She's also brought sensuality, passion, and energy, a fire, a zing to Bollywood and Bollywood dancers. Her contribution to dance is unmeasurable. I'm welcoming here Ms. Saroj Khan. Welcome to the Bay Area. It's a pleasure to have you here and thank you for speaking to us.
It's so sweet of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. आपका करियर बहुत ही 6 decades क्या आपकी पूरी life is devotion to dance. Can you start with your first memory that you have as a dancer?
Well, I know I started dancing at the age of 3. I used to watch my shadow and dance. I wasn't taught by anybody. In my family, there's no dancer, no singer, no artist, nothing. They are very, very orthodox family. Partition, we came here in India, and I was born in Bombay. My parents came from there. They left everything and came, and then of course we had nothing. Then when I started dancing, my mother thought I was little off. So she took me to the doctors. Doctor said, she's okay, she just wants to dance. And you all are also refugees. You require money. So why don't you put her in film industry? So mommy said, we do not know anybody. Doctor said, we have many people who come to ask for children. So we'll help you in getting the work. That's how I stepped into this industry. But I thank my Lord that I came into this industry, because there's nothing better than this world where you forget your troubles, you enjoy your work, and plus you get paid for it. It helped my family too much because I had 5 sisters behind me and 1 brother. So I had to educate them, get them married. My father died when I was 10 and a half. So when father died, I took up group dancing. And in that group dancing process, Masterji came from South, Sohanlal South, B. Sohanlal and B. Hiralal, both the brothers. They shook the industry up by showing them dances like Aplam Chaplam and Vajantimala's dances.
अपलम चपलम चपलाई रे दुनिया को छोड़ तेरी गली आई रे आई रे आई रे। अपलम चपलम चपलाई रे दुनिया को छोड़ तेरी गली आई रे आई रे आई रे। वो दुनिया को छोड़ तेरी गली आई रे आई रे आई रे।
So he saw me dancing and he picked me out of the group and said, you become my assistant. And I was only 12 and a half, something. And the first lady I had to teach was Vajantimala. Of course, she wouldn't look at me. She thought I'm a baby. But Masterji said that you have to learn from her. So she obeyed him and she fell in love with my dance. She became my fan. Then we worked all our lives together till she retired after Gawar. Till that time I was with her. She even did a show called Chandalika. I was playing a character of Chudi Wali, a bangles selling lady. Then of course Masterji had to go for some shooting in Europe for Raj Kapoor, and Raj Kapoor was shooting in Bombay. Now those people were picturizing a Qawwali on Nutan. But Master Ji was not there. So the producer said, Master Ji has taken the money, so you do it. So I said, I know how to dance, but I don't know how to compose. So he said, never mind, our director is very, he has done many songs. His name was P.L. Santoshi, father of Rajkumar Santoshi. So he was with me when I did this song, and I was 14. Nutan loved it, Raj Kapoor loved it.
Name of the song?
निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है. Picture's name was दिल ही तो है.
निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, ओ निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, दिलो जान लुटाने को जी चाहता है, दिलो जान लुटाने को जी चाहता है, जी चाहता है.
So that was my first independent song. But I was working with Sadhna continuously. Sadhna was making a movie with her husband being producer, and she was directing it with Sunil Dutt, Feroz Khan, Sadhna. Geeta Mera Naam. So she gave me a break.
That was the 1974
Yeah.
film.
She gave me a break. She made me a choreographer. You call it choreographer, we call it dance master. So she went and bought a card from the association, and she said, now you do this movie. That's how my career started.
सुनिए जरा देखिए ना, आप भी दीवार के साए में बैठे हैं.
So you started as a dance master, choreographer. उसके आगे क्या हुआ?
Then I got many pictures with Basu Chatterjee, Dulal Goha, then Rishikesh Dada, and of course they made me permanent, because I would do only what the director wanted. I wasn't adamant in doing what I want. So their songs used to go with the story. Then Dharamji helped me, Hema Malini helped me. They used to send work for me. And then somebody went and spoke to Subhash Ghai, telling him that there's a girl who's a choreographer also. Try her. So he called me for, what was that picture? No. Vidhata. Yeah, it was produced by Sippies, and he directed the movie. Dilip Kumar, Sanjay Dutt, Padmini Kolhapuri. When he called me for that, I was not free. I was busy with, what's her name? Bindia and Vinod Mehra. So I told Subhash, I said, I can't come. So he said, okay, you take the date now, and climax song you do for Sarika. I said, okay. When he saw my dance, then he gave me Hero. Till that time I was very busy, but I never used to get big pictures. A-class pictures I wouldn't get. But I was not worried. I knew I will prove one day. And then he became my mentor. He gave me Hero. So people thought she must be knowing her work. Then only Subhash called her. So that's how I got into A grade. And then came Tezab 1, 2, 3, which I never looked back after that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. तेरा करो दिन गिन गिन पे इंतजार आजा पिया आई बहार.
You've worked with so many phenomenal dancers and helped train so many phenomenal dancers. वो जो era था, that was a different era, and that is became from the 60s and with the Madhuri in the starting in the 80s and then now. What was the shift in what was the style of dancing is different, but what was some of the important salient points of dancing in the 60s and 70s that you remember?
Oh, the important thing that time was the expressions and flexibility and Indian dance. We had Western dances, like they used to come and go. They never used to stick around. Like Helen had her own style, cabaret. Then we had jiving, we had rock and roll, we had rumba samba, we had all tango, foxtrot. All these Western dances were there. They were used in very good way. But mostly popular was Indian dance, and Latka Jhatka they loved more. Mujra they liked. So that period till 90 was like that. But once West took over us, our children have stopped learning all these dances. But I believe our culture is so rich that one day they have to come back.
That's one of the good things about some of the artists that you worked with, like Sri Devi, Vijayanthimaala, Madhuri. They're all Kathak trained or Bharatnatyam trained. And you're here working with Kriya Dance Academy in the Bay Area, working with the students here. What is your experience like here?
No, I'm very happy that I came and saw these students because they are very smart, very smart. And they love their Indian dance. That's the biggest thing what I loved. Our culture is dead in India.
Is it?
It is so much over here.
Okay.
One girl who's dancing with me in this workshop, her name is Wendy. She's an American. The way she dances Indian dance, she's better than all the girls. It's so surprising.
It's the love of dance, grace,
I
and
see.
all. What is your comment about all the parents pushing their children into dance, even when they're not good dancers? Maybe they should be in sports, or maybe they should be in dancing.
You see, this is the fault of TV, nothing else. See, they started paying big money. So every parent wants their children to become like that. No parent over there tells their child that what do you want to become. They push them because they want them to become that. You know, some people wanted to become hero, they didn't become, so they want their child to become. So I don't blame anybody, because as it is, money is short. So they think this is the only way to get it, easy money.
Among the dancers that you have taught, tell me a strength. I won't ask you who's the best, but what is the strength of each one of those?
Like Madhuri is a perfect dancer. She understands rhythm. She knows how the movements are being created. She follows the expression to the T. She will never say, Master Ji, I'll do this. No. She'll always say, Master Ji, dikhaiye to main karu. She is like a replica of me. She does everything what I do. Sri Devi is very powerful in her expressions, and her body curves are very nice. She is not tiny, she fills up the screen. So that is her plus point. Okay, you feel very small in front of her.
And Vijayanthimaala ji?
Vijayanthimaala is out of the world.
Okay.
There's nobody, no Madhuri, no
yeah.
Sri Devi to touch her.
I watch her songs too from the past, even Bol Re Katputli. Yeah.
That is my master who did it.
Those kind of songs.
Yeah.
Vajanti Ma'am?
Very good in expressions, in movements. Nobody can dance like her, how she has danced in Jewel Thief, Honton Pe Aisi Baat. It will be a memory always.
And so
Like
many long
for
shots.
Aishwarya and Madhuri, Dolare is a memory which can never go anywhere.
You could go back and just have a day of teaching, choreographing for one of your former students, even someone that doesn't exist anymore. Who would you like to spend a day with and teach?
Sadhna.
Because of the expression or what reason?
No, she was a beautiful dancer. God had made her so sexy that even if she didn't wanted it, she was there.
You are also credited for bringing sensuality into
Yeah.
dancing. That is, I find that a fabulous quality because, as being one of the first women artists, you
Bring
brought out
out
the
this.
sensuality out of women. How did,
I'm speaking on the TV, that's why I wouldn't like to use bad words. But they always say, woman can understand sex better than a man. Why? When she's sitting at home, she's thinking, now my man will come, he'll hold my hand, then what will I do? When he comes, I'll feed him like this, or I'll give him a drink. You know, she has those imagination. Man doesn't have this. Man wants sex, he'll just come, he'll do the sex and to hell with you. He will not look back. You understand? That is why sensuality only a woman can feel and take out. So I have been very lucky that I got songs like that. Like Kaate Nahi Katte Din Ye Raat. I don't think any woman can look so sexy as she looked in 6-yard sari. You can't say that I made her look vulgar.
No, you've never made anybody look vulgar.
Nobody. See, I have kids. When I sit and watch my work, I wouldn't like my daughter to be like that.
Yeah.
Never.
काटे नहीं कटते ये दिन ये रात कहनी थी तुमसे जो दिल की बात काटे नहीं कटते ये दिन ये रात कहनी थी तुमसे जो दिल की बात लो आज मैं कहता हूँ I love you I love you I love you
Your contribution to cinema, your whole life contribution, you've given your whole life. And that's why we do this show, because it is out of respect for artists and love for the art form that you give your whole life to them, and that's why we only cover the best and best of all the artists that we bring out, because there's it's not that you do a job, you go to work, you get paid, you do a job, you give your life to the world. So thank you so much for giving your life to all of us and everybody here that you've come around.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It's a pleasure to meet you and a big honor. Thank you.
Thank you.